Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you Diwali look. So this is the look I have created. So if you like this look and want to recreate this look, then keep on watching. So guys, I have already done my base makeup, and if you want to see how I have done this base makeup, then you can just click on the I button above, or I'll put the link of my another makeup video in the description bar and you can check that out. Today I'm just going to show you the eye makeup look, and we'll start. I've also done my eyebrows. So we'll start first, and today I'm going to use new palette. I've already spoken about it. If you haven't watched my Mintra makeup haul, then do watch that haul. So this is the Makeup Revolution palette which I recently got, and it's a really nice glittery palette. So I wanted to try this for festival season, and let's get started with this. I'm going to take this second shade right here, and I'm just going to take it on my brush. Also tap off the excess. You don't want so much color on your brush. And I'm going to start with the outer corner. So like here, I'm just going to place the color here and then slowly blending in. So we're going like that. Again on the outer V, we have to blend a little. So in a circular motion, just blend it in like this. So I'm going to take that same shade again, and I'm going to go once again to make my color more intense. Then from here, just blending in. So I'm going to take the exact same shade and do the other eye now. Starting with the outer corner. So as you can see, I've done with both my eyes, and now we will start with the inner corner. And for that, I'm going to use this very beautiful golden color right here. It's such a pretty color, and this combination will suit any dress you're wearing. So you can do the exact same eye look for any color. And which is going to, I've taken this flat brush, and I'm going to place the color on my eyelid like this. Oh my god, this is so pigmented, guys. It's such a beautiful color. Really love it. So first we are just going to place the color and then we'll blend it. Now I'm just going to blend this golden color with the pink one with a very little hand. Just like so it will look like blended. And we are just going to slightly blend this with a very light hand. Just like this, not much. Just so that it will look nice and blended. Now I have blended both the eyeshadows, and I'm just going to take with the same flat brush the pink color which we have taken at the first. I'm just going to blend on my lower lash. So very slightly, just like that. Okay, so now it's done. I am applying this Faces Canada Kajal. This is very nice and pigmented Kajal. I'm going to apply the Kajal on my lower eyelids first. then tight line on my upper eyelid. Now I'm going to apply the mascara. For that I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. This is a very nice and my all-time favorite mascara. You will instantly see how much difference it makes. You can see just how much difference it makes instantly, and oh my god, I'm just loving it. It's so beautiful. I'm quickly going to do my another eye because I'm a little bit I just feel I'll poke my eye, so I don't want to do that on the camera. Now I'm quickly going to apply the blush. So this is the peach color I'm going to apply. You can use any color of your choice. Just taking a little bit, tap tap tap, and with a big smile, just apply the blush. So the blush is on and I'm going to apply lipstick. For that I'm using this Maybelline Lust for blush. It's a very beautiful rosy color. I just love this shade. And, to, and I have already moisturized my lips with a nice lip balm. So make sure you always moisturize your lips before you apply any kind of lipstick. Now I'm going to apply highlighter. Highlighter just adds so much to your whole look. First I'm taking this flat brush and taking some of that highlighter. I'm going to highlight underneath my brows. So that is very important. It just makes your look really nice. So just underneath my eyebrows. Now I'm again just taking this highlighter on my finger. I'm going to apply on the highest point of my cheeks. So right here. And on the bridge of my nose. So my makeup is complete now, but my look isn't. So stay tuned for that. I'm just loving this look, and if you guys recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me also. You will find my Instagram handles in the description bar below. For that, also make sure to follow me on my Instagram and give this video a big fat thumbs up, because for all this it took so much of efforts and only for you guys I did this. So please hit that like button, also share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't.